the arguments of the opposition, that they are extremely scared that this is being done at the behest of the ruling dispensation, and only their voters, the voters who are sympathizers of the opposition, will be struck out. So how do you respond to that?
See, the entire process, if you understand,
Yeah.
you will understand that it does not distinguish between anybody. It clearly says that everybody who is an elector today is issued enumeration form. The BLO is going to every household and is asking for the mapping and the 2002 data. Wherever it is done, it is clearly mapped and his name is there already. In those cases also where it is the 2002 details are not available, notice is the name still is retained in the draft roll. The notice goes and you have a opportunity to submit any of the document and the name is still included in the final roll. In this entire process, like and booth level agents who are the representatives of the political party, we have 9 recognized political parties, 6 national, 3 state parties. Every party has, at least in every part there are 2 or 3 BLAs, because not
Yes.
all parties have appointed everywhere their BLA. So there are 2 or 3 helping hands to BLOs who are also looking at the entire exercise. Like even in this case, every BLA is authorized to deposit 50 forms every day, enumeration for every day to the BLO, maximum 50 forms. I don't think any of the BLA has done that job, but it is like everything is fully transparent. Where is the question of distinguishing between any political party or any voter? The entire exercise is seamless and like without any
You are saying
distinction.
although there is a slight chance of the voter defrauding the system, there is no chance the system defrauding the voter.
Not at all. Not at all. That even there is very minimal chance. Like if somebody is really doing that kind of craftsmanship where they create a forged document, I cannot say about that.
No,
But I
that's
think
about the voter trying to defraud the system.
defraud the system.
I am
yes.
saying the other way around.
No,
The
no, that
system
is not
trying to
possible.
defraud the voter.
System is clearly transparent and every check and balance has been done. Even at the field level also, the involvement of BLA
Yeah.
itself is a manifestation that everybody has to participate in this process. The punchline of this entire SIR exercise is that every eligible voter should be part of the electoral roll and every ineligible voter should be out of the electoral roll, and no harassment to any voter. It is the election machinery coming to your doorsteps just to authenticate your
The credentials.
details. Yes.